Glide vacuums are fitted with a reusable, sealed SMS dust bag, but alternatively can be used with a disposable sealed paper dust bag. These dust bags provide high levels of filtration, better dust retention, and easy disposal, leaving rooms with cleaner air. The synthetic filter cover acts as the second filtration stage for the Glide canister vacuums, filtering out dust and dirt that pass through the dust bag. Featuring 3 stages of filtration with a HEPA-rated filter, this machine traps fine dust particles down to 0.3 microns. The commercial-grade 1300-watt motor provides strong power, giving the user enhanced machine performance. The 18-meter commercial-grade power cord allows users to cover a larger area without having to relocate between power sockets. The hose comes complete with a bent handpiece that features an adjustable air vent and a screw-fit machine-end connector. Constructed from durable materials, users can get to those hard-to-reach places with this 2-meter hose and handpiece. The 2-piece chrome wand is designed with a push-fit connection, is hard-wearing and easy to store. Use one or both pieces to adjust your reach when vacuuming. The all-purpose floor tool has been designed for use on both low-pile carpeted surfaces and on hard floors. Its low-profile design, high quality and lightweight construction make it highly maneuverable. The dusting brush lifts dust and dirt from soft and hard floor surfaces. It can also be used to clean dust-collecting areas like blinds, lampshades, and textured surfaces. The Crevice Tool is slender-shaped with an angled tip, allowing users to clean narrow spaces like skirting boards, door trims, and window ledges. The Upholstery Tool is specifically designed for cushions, chairs, car interiors, and other fabric surfaces, fitted with 2 lint strips to help to lift dust, cotton, and lint from textile and upholstery surfaces with ease.